Tampa literally walked over Montreal last night, so I'm starting to think it is going to be Tampa in 4. Maybe Carey will steal a game, but today we're just gonna head out to brunch with some friends. Actually the same vegan spot, Grace, that we just went to a couple days ago. Fox, what's up? You ready for brunch? Are you making some brunch? With a golf ball? But I'm back on the ice tomorrow. Bonesy hooked me up. It'll be good to shake off the rust a little bit, and then we have some pretty cool stuff in the works with Bonesy for all you goalies. Maybe some old school stuff. That's all I can say right now.
Kaskisuo, his first in the NHL.
All right, I'm on my way to see Chasen, talk some content. I'm gonna upload some new merch designs as well. So I'll try to link them up here on the screen if I got them up. So shout out to Roland for setting up those designs. And today's workout was just a little bit of core circuit and then a little bit of a bike. So nothing special, nothing too interesting to film. So, but excited to skate tomorrow. What's up, guys?
Yeah.
There's Jason.
What's up?
Bill.
How's it going?
Neighborhood dad. What up? What are we working on?
I like the freaking sweater. That thing's sick. Working on some keep it fun stuff.
Just
Big
because,
ideas.
you know, we keep it fun.
We do keep it fun.
The next morning.
Tough start. I only brought one skate, so good thing I live right there, so I gotta 30 minutes before we hop on the ice, so I gotta hustle up and go home and grab another skate. I just got back from the skate, or while I was at the rink, I heard there's like a kids youth tournament, and I heard Bryzgalov is there with his kid. So, good thing I live right next to the rink, so I ran back and got my Bryzgalov jersey. So me and Fox are gonna try to, are heading back there now, trying to get the jersey signed, get to meet him. I was a huge Bryzgalov fan. I have to take advantage of the opportunity when I can.
There you go.
Mr. Universe.
That's the way you were
Thanks,
set up
Bruce.
at the final here. Here we go. Cool.
Perfect. I really appreciate it. Yeah, no, thank you. That was so rad meeting Bryzgalov. What a nice guy. And he signed the jersey. He wrote down Mr. Universe. He said that's what he always does to his when he signs the jersey. And like I said, I was a big Bryz fan. I don't know what it was. Maybe that I used to follow the Flyers quite a bit growing up. Maybe the way he was with media and all those quotes that he had and all the space stuff he was talking about. And maybe that's one of the reasons why I'm doing YouTube right now. Someone's calling me. Let's see who it is. But that was like once in a lifetime thing. Had to come back, had the jersey here, lucky for me, and got it signed. So that was pretty cool. Had a good chat with him. Super nice guy. He actually stayed and chatted with me a little bit while watching his kids' game. So awesome guy, very cool experience. Thanks, Bryz. I know you're not gonna be watching these, but shout out to you for making my day. Barista Parlor was out of oat milk and their kitchenette closed 5 minutes before we got there, so we're going to Frothy Monkey now.
Hey, cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, Cass.
I gotta clean it up.
Hey guys, I'm here at Pins with Kaz's camera. He doesn't know I'm filming this, but love you, Kaz. Bye.
Yo, Cass, we'll see you in Sweden. Is it Sweden?
Sweden.
Sweden. We'll see you in Sweden like 7 or 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 weeks.
Yeah, we'll be seeing you.
Just finished our night here at Pins with friendly neighbors from our apartment complex, and how was it, Wet?
It was fun, but I didn't get a drink because
She's driving.
no, because I'm being responsible and I like kitty cocktails.
She does not like to drink, yes. But we had a babysitter tonight, so we're just gonna go and swing Fox and back on the ice tomorrow morning. So the grind continues.